Hello, children. I am Karishma Nathani, welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today, we are going to learn letter writing. How to write letter. What is letter? How to write letter and types of letter. What is letter? When we want to communicate information or goodwill to someone, means we want to share something to someone who is far away from us, we will write letters. There are two types of letters. First is formal letters. Letters written to the people who are not our close relatives. It is written for business or any official communication are called formal letters. Formal letters can be written in a formal language with a specific structure and layout. Informal letters. Letters written to friends or relatives are called informal letters. There are no specific structure or any formal language. Formal letters. This is the layout of formal letter. First is heading. Heading contains the writer's address, receiver's address and date. Greeting. To address the person you are writing to by his or her name. Means dear, respected, whatever. Subject. Subject of letter for what we are writing. Body part. It contains the message of the letter. Closing. To say goodbye, which is conclusion of the letter. Signature. To say the name of the writer and writer's signature. Layout of informal letters. Heading contains the writer's address and date. Here, address is not necessary, only date we can write. Greeting. To address the person you are writing to by his her name with dear or respected. Body part contains the message of the letter. Here we don't have to write subject of the letter. Closing. To say goodbye, which is conclusion of the letter. Signature. To say the name of the writer. Here it is not compulsory to put your signature after your name, but in formal letters it is compulsory. Now let us understand the concept with the help of example letter. So here we start with formal letter. So first we have to write our own introduction. For example, your name, class, roll number and school's name. Rohit Mishra, roll number 30, class 4th A, St. Teresa's School. Now date 1st July 2020. Now you have to write a person's introduction to whom we are sending letter to. The principal, St. Teresa's School, Mumbai. Now greeting, for we are writing later. Dear sir. Now we have to write subject for what we are writing letter to introduce the topic of your letter. Subject is requesting for sick leave. Now body of the letter. The brief of the letter is known as body part of the letter. So here we start. I would like to apply for sick leave from 1st July 2020 to 8th July 2020. I have been down with cold and flu for a while and my doctor has advised me to take complete rest. I have my term exams in 3 weeks and I want to recover soon so I can study and pass my exams with flying colors. I would therefore request you to kindly grant me leave for the above mentioned dates. Please find the doctor's note attached below. I would be very grateful if you would approve it. Yours sincerely, Rohit Mishra. Sincerely, Rohit Mishra is a closing part of our letter. Here, you have to write your own name instead of Rohit Mishra. Now, second type of letter is informal letter. Example of informal letter: 1st July 2020. Here, no need to introduce yourself, no need to write any address of yourself. Just start the letter. Date 1st July 2020. Then greetings, dear Susan. Here you have to write the name of the letter receiver. Now, body part of the letter. It has been a long time since I got a letter from you. I hope you are doing well. I am writing this letter to invite you to come to my birthday party on 10th July 2020. We are planning to have an afternoon lunch in the garden with all my friends and family members. There will be lots of games and snacks, and I am sure you will enjoy yourself very much. I remember you were unable to come last year because you had fallen sick, and I had missed you a lot at the party. So be sure to come this time and bring your sister along as well. Give my regards to your parents and your sister, and lots of love to you. Yours truly, Meera. Yours truly, Meera is a closing part of your letter. Here, you can write truly, lovely, sincerely, and whatever you like. And Meera, your name. Instead of Meera, you have to write your own name. So, like this way, you have to pick one topic which is from formal letter and one is for informal letter, and try to write a letter in your own words. Thank you.